So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. I did wash and deep condition my hair. I am applying my Counter Leave-In conditioner. Just want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, and I'm gonna make sure that I put a lot of leave-in conditioner on my ends. If you want a more defined twist out, you can use a comb to smooth it out. For me, I use my hands as always, and then I'm gonna go with my butter. I'm gonna get a little bit of that, apply it on the ends, and then work it in. And then after that, I'm gonna apply my ducts on the ends of my hair to seal that moisture in. You can see my ends, they're looking good. So I'm gonna do a braid out. Just a little bit of a braid out at the bottom, and then I will separate one part of the braid out to make them two, just like this. And you want to make sure that they're even, because your twist has to be even, otherwise you're going to be borrowing hair. Then after I have done a braid out at the bottom, I am going to twist my hair. So twisting your hair, if you want to really get a good twist out, you want to twist closely. You want to twist your hair closely to each other. So I already have these two sections, and so what I'm going to do is I am going to twist closely. So you just kind of twist your hair, twist your hair. If you don't get it the first time with twist out or braid outs, you just have to try several times to get it, and I am also still trying, but this is what I do. So you can see I'm twisting closely to each other. So at the ends, I'm gonna twirl my hair. I always have a problem with my ends because my hair is so thin, and yeah, but this is what I'm doing. So this is my twist out. You see that? So if you want to get a best twist out, just twist closely to each other. And you're going to get a good twist out. And I'm going to show you again here on this part. So this is a braid out, and then I am going to divide my hair into two parts to make sure that it's equal, because you don't want to be borrowing hair. So just make sure that your hair is equal, and then I'm going to twist my hair closely to each other. You can see that my roots are braided, and the reason why I do that again is to make sure that I don't have frizz on my roots, and so I like it like this. So this is a twist, but it's very loose and it's not going to give you the definition that you want. So this is one of it. See? This is not going to give you the twist that you want. It looks fine, but it's not going to give you the twist that you want. I'm going to show you exactly the proper way of doing a twist. So you want to divide your hair into two equal parts. Just make sure that the parts are equal. The only way you can know that is you're going to feel them in your hands. And then we're going to twist. We're going to start at the roots, and we want to make sure that the roots are secure. So then we're going to twist really closely to each other. So I'm twisting like this, like this. If you don't get it, it's fine. You keep doing it until you get a hold of it. And if you see that it was not able to come out, you can still do it again until it comes out the way you want. Towards the end, you want to curl your hair. You want to curl your hair. Make sure that you have it curled, something like this. Look at the difference between these two. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but hopefully I can be able to zoom in. Look at the difference between these two twists. This one is a little bit defined, you can actually see that, and then this one is no, we don't want this, we don't want that, and that's it. You see that? They look so good. But yeah, this side you can see that I first did a braid at the bottom and then I did a twist, and they're a little bit bigger than this side. I want to show you exactly the difference that they make when you make them like a braid at the bottom, and then when you don't make a braid at the bottom, this is how they look like. So these are the ones that don't have a braid at the bottom, but these ones, they have a braid at the bottom. And the reason why I do that is that they last longer and they are more neater, and when I'm taking them down, the bottom side is not freezing. So I'm gonna curl that a little bit because you don't want that. What you want is this.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here.
So that's how I was able to style it for now. I will see you guys after a week. So today is Sunday. I'll probably take them down on Sunday, and we're gonna see what definition this twist can give us. But other than that, this is a cute way of styling your hair for a whole week. You can go around. This is cute. So I am back, and I wanted to show you my twists after a week. Today is Saturday, so I am supposed to be taking them down on Sunday, but we're not going to do that. I am ready to take them down, and so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. See, they're still looking good. So yeah, let's take these down. You want to make sure that these ends, you don't snap these ends because you want them to be looking good. So I'm just going to twist and carefully unravel it. So it's going to take me a while, is what I'm looking at. Taking down your twists is the most important thing about a good twist out. So hopefully I don't create any freeze. Okay, so this is the first one, and it's not looking bad, but it's not looking bad. So these are the twists after 1 week. The curls are popping. You guys can look at this. Wow. Wow. I love how it turned out after like all this time. I haven't re-moisturized them. I didn't do anything. The only thing that I have done is just kind of like oil my scalp during the week. I kind of took like 2 times oiling my scalp, but other than that, it doesn't look, this is great. Most important thing about your hair is when it's healthy. Everything else, it doesn't really matter. As long as your hair is healthy, that's what matters. So I love how these twists came out. I am okay with this because it's been a while. So me being able to achieve these curls even after those many days, I feel like my hair is really healthy, and I like that. And yeah, so that was it guys for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to go down below and subscribe. Please turn on the notification so that you can be notified every time I post videos. I post videos every week, so expect a video every week on my channel. So you want to be able to subscribe in order to see that. I want you to let me know in the comment section below if you liked this video and what you liked about this video. I really want to hear from you guys. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.